Hello guys, welcome to my channel Swati Pharmagnan sharing knowledge. Today's topic is anti-hyperlipidemic agents, structures and its mechanism of action. The classification of anti-hyperlipidemics is HMG-CoA inhibitors, fibrates, bile acid sequestrants, LDL oxidation inhibitors, pyridine derivatives, cholesterol absorption inhibitors and miscellaneous category of drugs. All these 7 classes of the drugs, structures and its mechanisms we'll see now. We'll see now one by one. The first drug is lovastatin, which is a HMG-CoA reductase inhibitor. The lovastatin is the drug which contains 6-membered ring containing oxygen, 6-membered ring containing one oxygen. To this 6-membered ring containing one oxygen, OH group is attached and one ketone group is present. Here ethyl linkage is present between the 6-membered ring containing oxygen and the naphthalene ring. So this is naphthalene ring. Two rings are fused together, that is naphthalene. Here methyl group is present and here one methyl group is present. Here O, CO, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. So this is pentanoic acid. Pentanoic acid is present at this position, that is structure of lovastatin. Uses are, it is a HMG-CoA reductase inhibitor particularly used in the treatment of hyperlipidemia. There are various side effects can be observed in the patient if we have given lovastatin, that is headache, myositis, nausea, sleep disturbance, contraindications in pregnancy. Atorvastatin is the next drug. It contains pyrrole as the basic nucleus. The central 5-membered ring containing one nitrogen and 2 double bonds is called pyrrole. To this pyrrole, isopropyl group is attached and here amide group is present. To this amide group, one phenyl ring is attached. To this pyrrole ring, at 4th position one phenyl ring is there. At 5th position, parafluorophenyl ring is attached. Here there is a side chain which contains, it is a heptanoic acid. To this heptanoic acid, 2 hydroxyl groups are attached at 3rd position and 5th position. That is structure of atorvastatin. It is also a HMG-CoA reductase inhibitor. It prevents ischemia by inhibiting both deposition of lipids and it decreases inflammation. Next structure is clofibrate. Clofibrate is the structure which contains phenyl ring with chloro group. And here at para position, oxy bridge is present. To this oxy bridge, isopropyl group is attached. To this isopropyl group, again ethanoic acid is attached, CH3, CH2. Phenyl ring, it contains chlorine group and at para position there is a oxygen bridge. To this oxygen bridge, isopropyl group is attached and then carbonyl group is attached to ethyl group. That is structure of clofibrate. Clofibrate comes under the category of fibrates. Uses are, it reduces VLDL. It reduces very low density lipoprotein and to treat hyperlipoproteinemia we can use this clofibrate. Next structure is fenofibrate. Fenofibrate also contains phenyl ring with one chloro group and here at the center between 2 phenyl rings there is a carbonyl linkage. Here oxygen linkage is attached and oxygen linkage attached to isopropyl group and then carbonyl group is present. That carbonyl group is attached to isopropyl group. Uses are, it reduces the fatty substances like cholesterol and very low density lipoprotein. It increases the amounts of high density lipoprotein. Next structure is cholestyramine. Cholestyramine comes under bile acid sequestrants. It is a polymer derivative. It contains styrene phenyl ring with CHCH2. Here CHCH2. Here also phenyl ring, to that CHCH2 is attached and this side CH2N plus 3 methyl groups are attached, that is quaternary nitrogen atom is attached and along with quaternary nitrogen there is a chloro group and n number of times, so that is a polymer which this is a polymer. This styrene molecules, number of styrene molecules are linked together, that will form the structure of cholestyramine. Uses are, it is used to treat type 2A hyperlipoproteinemia. Next structure is colestipol. Colestipol is also a bile acid sequestrant. This contains amino group and hydroxyl groups are linked together. So that is structure of colestipol, which is a bile acid sequestrant. It will reduce the cholesterol levels and it will also use to treat type 2 hyperlipoproteinemia. Next structure is Probocol, which is a LDL oxidation inhibitors. The central carbon is attached to two methyl groups and two sulfur atoms. These sulfur groups are again attached to two phenyl groups at both sides. So this will act as a mirror image. This part of the Probocol will act as a mirror image to this part of the Probocol. So here phenol ring is present. Phenol ring is phenyl ring with OH group is called phenol. To this phenol at this position isobutyl group is attached, and this position isobutyl group is attached. Here also isobutyl group and isobutyl group OH group is attached. It is used to treat high cholesterol levels in the blood. Anti-cholesteremic drug. It is an anti-cholesteremic drug with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Class of drugs are pyridine derivatives. Examples are nicotinamide and nicotinic acid. Both nicotinamide and nicotinic acid contains 6-membered ring containing one nitrogen, that is pyridine structure. So both the structures contain pyridine as the basic nucleus. Here amide indicates CONH2, that is attached at third position. Here oic acid indicates carboxylic acid group is present at third position. That is difference between nicotinamide and nicotinic acid. In high doses it will reduce low density lipoprotein, cholesterol, and it will increase the amount of high density lipoprotein in blood, because high density lipoprotein is a good cholesterol which is required for the body. Low density lipoprotein is harmful or it is not required for our body. Next structure is ezetimibe, which is a cholesterol absorption inhibitors. So here 4-membered ring containing one nitrogen is present. This is called as 4-azitidinone. 4-azitidinone. Consider this one as the first position, second, third and fourth position. At fourth position there is a ketone group and it is a 4-membered ring containing one nitrogen. So that's why we will call it as 4-azitidinone. Az indicates nitrogen, etidine indicates 4-membered ring, one indicates ketone group. So for the heterocyclic compounds or for the understanding of basic nucleuses, you can check it out for my video which I will place in iCard. At first position there is a parafluorophenyl ring, and at second position there is a phenol ring. At third position CH2CH2CHOH group is present, that is propanol group is present. This propanol group is directly attached to parafluorophenyl ring, that is structure of ezetimibe. It inhibits the cholesterol absorption in the body. So what this drug will do is, whatever in the diet or whatever in the food the cholesterol is present, that absorption of the cholesterol in the body will get inhibited by this drug. So it will reduce the amount of cholesterol in the patient body. Miscellaneous category of the drugs are beta-sitosterol, which is a steroidal drug, and dextrothyroxine, which is a thyroxine derivative. Dextrothyroxine contains, this is a steroid nucleus, cyclopentano perhydrophenanthrin ring is the basic nucleus which is present in beta-sitosterol. Dextrothyroxine contains two phenyl rings. Between the two phenyl rings there is a oxygen linkage and two iodine groups are present, and here CH2CHNH2 ethylamine along with ethylamine carboxylic acid group is attached. Here OH group is present at this position. Dextrothyroxine is a thyroid hormone having anti-hyperlipidemic activity. If the patient is having any hypothyroidism symptom during hyperlipidemia stage, then we'll give dextrothyroxine. Beta-sitosterol will reduces cholesterol levels in the body of the patient. Coming to mechanisms of individual classes, the first class is HMG-CoA reductase inhibitors. Lovastatin and atorvastatin, what they will do is they will regulate the cholesterol synthesis in the liver by inhibiting microsomal reduction of 3-hydroxy-3-methyl-glutaryl-CoA. So there is one enzyme, that is HMG-CoA enzyme. Enzyme will get inhibited by this drug so that cholesterol synthesis can also be inhibited or it may be regulated, which is catalyzed by HMG-CoA reductase enzyme. So first they will inhibit the HMG-CoA reductase enzyme. If this enzyme is inhibited, HMG-CoA will not form. If this HMG-CoA is not formed, then the cholesterol synthesis will not occur in the liver of the patient. Next class of drugs are fibrates, which are cholestyramine and cholestyramine. Next class of drugs are Bile acid sequestrants. The mechanism of bile acid sequestrants is the reduction in the amounts of reabsorbed bile acids results in increased catabolism of cholesterol in bile acids in the liver. Then it decreases concentration of bile acids. What these drugs will do is they will reduce the amounts of reabsorbed bile acids. When the reabsorption of the bile acids is reduced, then it will lead to increased catabolism of cholesterol. Breakdown of the cholesterol will increase in bile acids in the liver. That will decrease the concentration of bile acids, so that the absorption of the cholesterol can also be inhibited. Next class of drugs are fibrates. Fibrates inhibit triglyceride synthesis and they will also reduce VLDL release into circulation. This drug fibrates clofibrate and fenofibrate. They will increase the lipoprotein lipase activity which will catabolize the chylomicrons and VLDL. Here the serum VLDL is there, which is a triglyceride rich lipoprotein. This will convert into lowered serum VLDL, which is reduced triglycerides, by giving the fibrates drugs. Next class of drugs is LDL oxidation inhibitors. Example is Probocol. What this drug will do is Probocol lowers the levels of cholesterol in the blood by increasing the rate of LDL catabolism. Probocol is a powerful antioxidant which inhibits the oxidation of cholesterol. Next class of drugs are pyridine derivatives, nicotinic acid and nicotinamide. They will inhibit a hormone sensitive lipase in adipose tissue which will reduce the breakdown of triglycerides to free fatty acids and the transport of free fatty acids to the liver. Ezetimibe is another class of the drug. Ezetimibe will reduce the blood cholesterol by inhibiting the absorption of cholesterol by the small intestine, so that the amount of the cholesterol can be decreased in the body of the patient. Thank you all.